Welcome back to my channel, you guys. A space where we dive into a personal growth, resilience, and the strength that comes from facing our darkness challenges. Today, we're going to address a story of unimaginable pain, betrayal, and ultimately courage. It's a story that isn't just about what one woman endured, it's about how we all have capacity to reclaim our power, even when everything around us feels like crumbling. Today we're talking about the journey of Isis Morales, a woman who built an empire around relationships, love, and empowerment, only to find herself facing a painful, life-shattering truth. We'll unpack how betrayal, abuse, and the trauma of being deceived by someone you trust can feel like the weight of the world crashing down on you. But we also explore how even in our darkness moment, we have the power to rebuild, to heal, and to come out stronger. This episode is for anyone who's ever had to make a heartbreaking decision to walk away from something or someone because they realized their peace, their self-worth, and their safety were worth more than the pain of staying. So grab a seat, get comfortable, and let's begin the journey together. Isis Morales wasn't just an influencer, she became the face of a movement. A movement that taught women to level up, to find their ideal partners, and to try for the kind of life that society deems perfect. She shared everything from dating tips to how to find a high-value partner, positioning herself as a relationship coach who knew the secret to attracting a success and love. Her brand was all about hypergamy, dating or marrying up, seeking a provider who could offer financial security and fulfilling life. She was married to a man who, for a long time, she believed embodied everything she taught her followers to look for. She thought she had found the perfect partner, the bar that all men should measure up to. He was the man she built her life around, the man who made her believe that she had achieved the dream she was teaching others to aspire to. But what happened when the fairy tale crumbles? When the person you thought was the protector, your provider, turns out to be your biggest nightmare. In a shocking video released on November 15, 2024, Isis revealed to her followers that she had left her husband a little over a month ago after uncovering horrifying truth. Allegation that he had doing something to their 2 and 4 years old daughters. Fire accusation that he had doing assaulted her multiple times during early months of their marriage. This revelation not only tore apart the life she had carefully curated, but she shattered her own image and the brand she had built around the image. For Isis, this wasn't just a breakup, this was a collapse of everything she had known. Her identity, her business, her entire career was built on the idea that she had the perfect life. But behind closed doors, that life was filled with abuse, manipulation, and lies. The devastation Isis must have felt in that moment, realizing that everything she had believed in was a facade, is something many of us can barely imagine. A deeper emotional analysis of what Isis went through is a painful reminder of how easily we can be deceived by what looks perfect on the outside. For many, marriage or relationship is supposed to be a source of safety, love, and trust. But for Isis, that safety was shattered in a way that no one could ever prepare for. She not only had to process the trauma of abuse, but also the emotional toll of the realization that the man she had entrusted with her life and her children was a predator. The heartbreak isn't just about what happened, it's about the deep betrayal of trust, the loss of innocence, and the horror of finding out the person who was supposed to protect her and her family was the one who caused harm. For many women, the idea of leaving an abusive partner feels impossible. The shame, the fear, the emotional and financial dependency often trap women in situations that feel inescapable. But Isis, in the midst of her pain, found the strength to live. It took incredible courage to not only walk away from an abusive marriage, but to also publicly confront the darkness of her reality. For many, the shame of such revelation might silence them, but Isis spoke out. She shared her story with the world not to gain sympathy or attention, but to reclaim her voice and give power back to the woman who might be suffering in silence. But even after leaving, the emotional fallout doesn't simply vanish. The scars of betrayal are deep, and the road to healing is long. For Isis, the journey didn't just involve escaping the situation, it required unlearning the version of herself that was tied to her abuser. It meant reevaluating everything she had once stood for and finding a new path, one where she could heal and build herself back up without the weight of the past dragging her down. Lessons from Isis' journey. 1. Rebuild your identity. When everything you thought you knew about your life comes crashing down, it's easy to feel lost. Isis spent so much of her time building a brand around specific image, a wife, a partner, the ideal relationship model, but when the image was shattered, she was forced to re-examine who she truly was outside of that narrative. This is a lesson for all of us. We're not defined by our relationships, our jobs, or what others think of us. Our true identity lies in our ability to survive and thrive, even when the foundation of our life seems to crumble. Rebuilding after betrayal isn't just about picking up the pieces of a broken life. It's about creating something new from the rubble. And in that process, you discover your strength, your resilience, and your worth. Number 2, the power of speaking your truth. In a world that often silences survivors, Isis found the courage to speak out. The truth is a powerful tool for healing. Speaking out, no matter how painful or uncomfortable, allows us to reclaim our narrative. It gives us the freedom to heal on our terms, to no longer be defined by the lies we've been told or the story others have written for us. When you speak your truth, no matter how raw or vulnerable, you take back control of your life. You allow yourself the space to heal without shame or guilt, knowing that your voice matters. Number 3, healing is a long road, but it's worth it. Healing from betrayal and abuse is never instant. It's not a quick fix or an easy journey, but it's a journey, and it's one worth taking. The pain will come in waves, and it will feel unbearable at times, but even in the darkest moments, know this, healing is possible. You will rebuild piece by piece. You will find joy again, love again, and most importantly, you will find peace within yourself again. It's okay to take your time, don't rush your healing process. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a step toward reclaiming your power. Number 4, choosing yourself is an act of courage. Leaving an abusive relationship is one of the most difficult decisions anyone can make. But choosing yourself, choosing your peace, is one of the most courageous things you can do. It's not about abandoning others, it's about recognizing that you are worth more than the pain you're enduring. Choosing yourself means protecting your heart, your mind, and your body. It means setting boundaries that prioritize your well-being, even when it feels impossible. Isis' decision to leave, to step into the unknown, was an act of immense strength. And it's a reminder that we all have the ability to make the same choice for ourselves. As we close today's episode, I want you to take a moment to think about your own journey. Are they the parts of your life that need healing? Are there relationships or situations that no longer serve you? If you ever felt trapped, like you didn't know how to move forward, notice you are not alone. The path to healing is not easy, but it is possible. You have the strength within you to rise from the ashes of your past and create future that align with your truth and your worth. Remember, you are not defined by the people who hurt you. You are defined by how you rise, how you heal, and how you move forward. Don't be afraid to choose yourself. You deserve a life full of peace, love, and respect. And no matter how many times you stumble, keep getting up. You are stronger than you think, and every step you take is one step closer to reclaiming your power. Thank you for listening today. I believe in your strength, and I know that you too can rise strong.